Take a ride in the 2019 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, heated front driver and passenger seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.